Welcome to the series of e-learning modules on negative binomial distribution. In this module, we are going to cover the definition of negative binomial distribution, moments, nature of the distribution, additive property, MGF, CGF, and the limiting distribution. By the end of this session, you will be able to explain about negative binomial distribution, moment generating function, cumulants generating function, moments and cumulants, nature of the distribution, limiting distribution of negative binomial distribution, additive property of the distribution. The equality of the mean and variance is an important characteristic of the Poisson distribution, whereas for the binomial distribution, the mean is always greater than the variance. Occasionally, however, observable phenomena give rise to empirical discrete distributions which show a variance larger than the mean, which is a distinguishing feature of the negative binomial distribution. The negative binomial distribution is sometimes also referred to as the Pascal distribution, after the French mathematician Blaise Pascal 1623 to 1662, but there seems to be no historical justification. Suppose we have a succession of n Bernoulli trials. We assume that the trials are independent. The probability of success P in a trial remains constant from trial to trial. Let P of x denote the probability that there are x failures preceding the rth success in x plus r trials. Now, the last trial must be a success whose probability is P. In the remaining x plus r minus 1 trials, we must have r minus 1 success whose probability is given by x plus r minus 1 cr minus 1 p power r minus 1 into q power x. Therefore, by compound probability theorem, P of x is given by the product of these two probabilities, that is, x plus r minus 1 cr minus 1 p power r minus 1 into q power x into p is equal to x plus r minus 1 cr minus 1 into p power r into q power x. Definition: a random variable x is said to follow negative binomial distribution with parameters r and p if its probability mass function is given by P of x is equal to x plus r minus 1 cr minus 1 into p power r into q power x, where x takes values 0, 1, 2, etc., and p lies between 0 and 1 and equal to 0 otherwise. We write x follows nb of r comma p read as x follows negative binomial distribution with parameters r and p. The graph of probability mass function for n is 8 and p is 0.26 is given as follows. Negative binomial distribution can be written as the binomial distribution with negative index as follows. We know that x plus r minus 1 cr minus 1 is the same as x plus r minus 1 cx. Expanding using factorial and simplifying, we get x plus r minus 1 into x plus r minus 2 into etc. into r plus 1 into r divided by x factorial. Observe that there are x terms, and taking minus 1 outside from each term, we get minus 1 whole power x into minus r into minus r into minus 1 into etc. into minus r to minus x plus 2 into minus r minus x plus 1 whole divided by x factorial, which is equal to minus 1 power x into minus r cx. Hence, p of x is equal to minus rcx into p power r into minus q power x, where x takes values 0, 1, 2, etc. and 0 otherwise. This is the x plus 1th term in the expansion of p power r into 1 minus q whole power minus r, a binomial expansion with a negative index. Hence, the distribution is known as negative binomial distribution. Also, summation over x from 0 to infinity p of x is equal to p power r into summation over x from 0 to infinity minus rcx minus q power x, which is equal to p power r into 1 minus q power minus r, which is equal to 1 since 1 minus q is p. Therefore, p of x represents the probability function, and the discrete variable which follows this probability function is called the negative binomial variate. If we put p is equal to 1 by q and q is equal to p by q, so that q minus p is equal to 1, then p of x is equal to minus rcx into q power minus r into minus p by q whole power x, when x takes values 0, 1, 2, etc. and 0 otherwise. This is the general term in the negative binomial expansion q minus p whole power minus r. Suppose we take r is equal to 1 in the probability mass function of the negative binomial distribution, then we get p of x is equal to q power x into p, x takes values 0, 1, 2, etc., which is the probability function of the geometric distribution. Hence, negative binomial distribution can be regarded as the generalization of the geometric distribution. The examples of negative binomial distribution are: in the game craps, you decide to play until you lose 5 games. Another example, a health-related researcher is studying the number of hospital visits in the past 12 months by senior citizens in a community based on the characteristics of the individuals and the types of health plans under which each one is covered. Yet another example could be school administrators study the attendance behavior of high school juniors at 2 schools. Predictors of the number of days of absence include the type of program in which the student is enrolled and a standardized test in mathematics. Now, let us find the moment generating function of the negative binomial distribution. Mx of t is equal to expectation of e power tx is equal to summation over x from 0 to infinity e power tx into p of x, which is equal to summation over x e power tx into minus rcx into q power minus r into minus p by q whole power x. This is equal to summation over x minus rcx into q power minus r into minus p into e power t by q whole power x is equal to q minus p into e power t whole power minus r. We can obtain mean and variance of the distribution by differentiating the MGF with respect to t and then equating at t is equal to 0. Hence, mu 1 dash is equal to d by dt of mx of t at t is equal to 0 is equal to minus r into minus p e power t into q minus p e power t power minus r minus 1 at t is equal to 0. On simplification, we get r into p. Therefore, mean of the distribution is rp. To find variance, we first find mu 2 dash. Mu 2 dash is equal to d square by dt square mx of t at t is equal to 0 is equal to r into p e power t into q minus p e power t whole power minus r minus 1 plus minus r minus 1 into r into p into e power t into q minus p e power t whole power minus r minus 2 into minus p into e power t at t is equal to 0. This is equal to r into p plus r into r plus 1 into p square. Therefore, mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash whole square, which is equal to r into r plus 1 into p square plus r into p minus r square into p square, which is equal to r into p into q. As q is greater than 1, r into p is less than r into p into q. That is, mean is less than variance. Having moment generating function, let us find cumulant generating function. Cumulant's generating function is obtained by taking logarithm of MGF and is denoted by kx of t. Therefore, kx of t is equal to log mx of t is equal to log q minus p into e power t whole power minus r, which is equal to minus r into log q minus p into e power t. Using the exponential expansion for e power t, we get minus r into log q minus p into 1 plus t square by 2 factorial plus t cube by 3 factorial plus t power 4 by 4 factorial plus etc. is equal to minus r into log 1 minus p into t plus t square by 2 factorial plus t cube by 3 factorial plus t power 4 by 4 factorial plus etc. By comparing this with cumulant's generating function of binomial distribution and proceeding likewise, we can find the first 4 cumulants as well as second, third and fourth central moments. The first cumulant K1, same as mean, is equal to Rp. K2, same as variance, is equal to Rpq. K3, same as mu3, is equal to Rp into 1 plus 3p plus 2p square. On simplification, we get rpq into q plus p, and fourth cumulant k4 is equal to rp into 1 plus p into 1 plus 6p plus 6p square. On simplification, we get rpq into 1 plus 6pq. Therefore, mu4 is equal to k4 plus 3k2 square, substituting for k4 and k2 and then simplifying, we get rpq into 1 plus 3pq into r plus 2. Since q is equal to 1 by p and p is equal to q by p, we can write mean and central moments in terms of p and q. Mean is equal to r into q by p. Variance mu2 is equal to r into q by p square. Mu3 is equal to rq into 1 plus q whole divided by p cube, and mu4 is equal to rq into p square plus 3q into r plus 2 whole divided by p power 4. From the above central moments, we can now find the nature of the distribution. Skewness of the distribution is given by beta 1 is equal to mu3 square by mu2 cube is equal to 1 plus q whole square divided by r into q. Hence, the negative binomial distribution is positively skewed. Kurtosis is given by beta 2 is equal to mu4 divided by mu2 square, which is equal to p square plus 3q into r plus 2 divided by rq. Observe that beta 2 is greater than 3 and hence negative binomial distribution has leptokurtic curve. Now let us find the recurrence relation for the central moments of the negative binomial distribution. Let x is a negative binomial variate with probability mass function. P of x is equal to x plus r minus 1 cx into p power r into q power x, where x takes values 0, 1, 2, etc. and 0 otherwise. Also, we know that the mean of the distribution is r into q by p. Therefore, mu k is equal to expectation of x minus r into q by p whole power k. That is, mu k is equal to summation over x from 0 to infinity x minus r into q by p whole power k into p of x is equal to summation over x minus r into q by p whole power k into x plus r minus 1 cx into p power r into q power x. Differentiating with respect of q, we get d mu r by dq is equal to summation over xk into x minus rq by p whole power k minus 1 into d by dq of x minus rq by p into r plus x minus 1 cx into q power x into p power r plus summation over x minus rq by p whole power k into r plus x minus 1 cx into x into q power x minus 1 into p power r plus q power x into r into p power r minus 1 into dp by dq. But dp by dq is equal to d by dq of 1 minus q is equal to minus 1 and d by dq of x minus r cube by p is equal to d by dq of x minus r into 1 by p minus 1, which is equal to r by p square into dp by dq, which is equal to minus r by p square. Therefore, d mu k by dq is equal to minus kr by p square into summation over x minus r cube by p whole power k minus 1 into p of x plus summation over x minus r cube by p whole power k into r plus x minus 1 cx into q power x minus 1 into p power r into x minus r cube by p, which is equal to kr by p square mu k minus 1 plus 1 by q into summation over x minus r cube by p whole power k plus 1 into p of x, which is equal to kr by p square into mu k minus 1 plus 1 by q into mu k plus 1. This implies mu k plus 1 is equal to q into d mu k by d q plus kr by p square into mu k minus 1, k taking values 1, 2, 3, etc. Now let us find the limiting distribution of negative binomial distribution. Negative binomial distribution tends to Poisson distribution as p tends to 0 and r tends to infinity, such that rp is equal to lambda, which is finite. Proceeding to the limits, we get limit p of x is equal to limit x plus r minus 1 cr minus 1 into p power r into q power x, which is equal to x plus r minus 1 cx q power minus r into p by q whole power x, which is equal to limit r tends to infinity x plus r minus 1 into x plus r minus 2 into etc. r plus 1 into r divided by x factorial into 1 plus p whole power minus r into p divided by 1 plus p whole power x is equal to limit r tends to infinity 1 by x factorial into 1 plus x minus 1 divided by r into 1 plus x minus 2 divided by r into etc. 1 plus 1 by r into 1 into r power x into 1 plus p whole power minus r into p divided by 1 plus p whole power x is equal to 1 by x factorial limit r tends to infinity 1 plus p whole power minus r into rp divided by 1 plus p whole power x. Since rp is equal to lambda, on substitution and simplification we get lambda power x by x factorial into limit r tends to infinity 1 plus lambda by r whole power minus r into limit r tends to infinity 1 plus lambda by r whole power minus x. By applying the limits, we get lambda power x by x factorial into e power minus lambda into 1 is equal to e power minus lambda power x by x factorial, which is the probability mass function of Poisson distribution with parameter lambda. Hence, the limiting distribution of the negative binomial distribution is Poisson distribution. Now let us consider the following result. If x1, x2, etc. x till xr is independently identically distributed random variables having the geometric distribution with parameter p, then prove that summation xi follows negative binomial distribution. We prove this result using moment generating function of the distribution. We know that the moment generating function of geometric distribution is mx of t is equal to p into 1 minus q e power t whole power minus 1, and the moment generating function of negative binomial distribution is mx of t is equal to q minus p e power t whole power minus r. Substituting for p and q in terms of p and q, we get 1 by p minus q by p into e power t whole power minus r. On simplification, we get p power r into 1 minus q into e power t whole power minus r. Consider the MGF of summation xi. M summation xi of t is equal to product mxi of t is equal to product of p into 1 minus q e power t whole power minus 1. Since the same term is multiplied r times, we get p into 1 minus q e power t whole power minus 1 whole power r is equal to p power r into 1 minus q into e power t whole power minus r, which is the MGF of negative binomial distribution. Hence, by uniqueness theorem of MGF, summation xi has negative binomial distribution with parameters r and p. Now, let us prove the additive property of the negative binomial distribution. If x1, x2, etc. till xn are independent negative binomial variates such that xi follows negative binomial distribution with parameters r, I and p, then show that summation xi follows negative binomial distribution with parameters summation ri and p. We prove this using MGF of the distribution. We know that for negative binomial distribution, mxi of t is equal to p power ri into 1 minus q e power t whole power minus ri. Consider the MGF of summation xi. M summation xi of t is equal to product of mxi of t is equal to product p power ri into 1 minus q into e power t whole power minus ri is equal to p power r1 into 1 minus q e power t whole power minus r1 into q power r2 into 1 minus q e power t whole power minus r2 into etc. p power rn into 1 minus q e power t whole power minus rn, which is the same as p power summation ri into 1 minus q e power t whole power minus summation Ri, which is the MGF of negative binomial distribution. Hence, by uniqueness theorem of MGF, summation xi has negative binomial distribution with parameters summation Ri and P.